So SpaceGuard decided to support this great program because it's really the feeder for a lot of the young men and women who are coming into our workforce. So we have a very heavy industrial area in the Jackson County area. In between machining jobs, future welding jobs, we just felt like this program really was a great job developing kids who want to work with their hands, want to do something other than maybe go to college. And it's a great way to still build a professional career. And it's a great program, so it was well worth the investment.
We work on a lot of attendance. We do a lot of hands-on skills, trying to get these students good jobs when they exit the building. I reach out to companies every year. I think we have between 12 and 14 companies that I deal with. I set up interviews for students here in our building. We build resumes here. Always looking for more companies to branch out.
It's just really fun. You make friends. I mean, you can, after school, after you get out of high school, it's something that you can look forward to doing if you wanted that as a career path, and it's just an amazing way to spend high school.
I think that means a lot for me to be able to do this class and be able to sit and keep up with the guys, a lot of them. And being a woman that can keep up in a class like this, in a career field like this, and being involved in welding is a huge opportunity for me and many women out there that do it also.
I think it's just a great thing to have, just to know how to do it for anything. And it's a career that I'm interested in, so it'll help me in the long run.
And I mean, it's an awesome program just all around. It gives you an amazing skill.
So the more they're willing to put into it, the more they're going to get out of it. And it does help the community a lot. We've put a lot of students working good full-time jobs in the community.